This just is a quick overview of the permissions settings that are available to you on a Monday.com board and on specific columns. So if you want to restrict certain actions on a board, you can go to the board permissions setting and it will let you adjust permissions for who can edit or update items in a board. If you have enterprise, you can get more granular into the permissions that are available. But with the professional, you can do some basic permission settings. So you can set everyone to edit everything on the board. You can set permissions that only allow content changes and not structure changes. You can assign only edit permissions to items that users are assigned to. And you can set permissions to allow only updates on items. No new items can be created with those permissions. So those are the broad board permissions that you can set. At the columns level, you can set the edit and view properties. So you could say only certain individuals may view the column on the board. And you can also say that only certain users can edit the column on the board. So we'll remove the view restriction and look at the edit restriction, and then you would add the different people that could then make changes to that column. So you can get some control over the update, edit, change features of your boards in Monday. Not quite as robust as Enterprise, but if you need to restrict what people see or what people can do, there are some availability for that in the features of Monday.com.